everyone. Joining me on the broadcast is a very special guest, Sayami Khair. Thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. You are the new Iron Lady going to participate in Ironman in Berlin. Tell us more about it. What's the scoop?
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you for having me. It's always lovely chatting with CNN. I hope I become the Iron Lady. I am attempting to the Iron Man in Berlin. This is happening on the 15th of September, and it is physically a very demanding race. I have to swim 2 kilometers, cycle 90, and then run 21 kilometers. So this is something that I am attempting, and fingers crossed, I can call myself an Iron Woman on the 15th of September.
Oh my God. And you have been trying for this for quite some time, if I'm not wrong. You sometime tried about it during the COVID era. It got eventually cancelled. Then some unfortunate accident happened. And now finally you've got chance to represent yourself.
I was going to do it in 2020 in Netherlands, and I trained. I was pretty ready for it, and then COVID happened, so the race got cancelled. And after that, I wanted to do it again in New Zealand, but I was shooting during that time, so unfortunately, the dates didn't really work out. So now things look pretty set. So fingers crossed that it all goes well now, third time round.
And we are also having our fingers crossed, of course. But what intrigued you towards sports and athletics? If you could just walk us through that.
I've been somebody who's loved sport ever since I was young. I used to play badminton and played badminton for school. I used to play cricket when I was in school. Then when I came to Mumbai, I started running in 2016. I started running marathons. So ran 2 full marathons, ran 20 or half marathons. So this pretty much was just the next step. I like setting targets. It kind of gives me a purpose and a reason to wake up every morning and aim for something that I want to do for that particular day. So it just kind of keeps me going. It is something that I've just been so used to. It's been kind of just a pattern in my life, I feel.
And on an average, how long do you train for this particular event? How long have you been doing this?
So I actually had a cycling accident in June last year. It was pretty bad. After the accident, for 8 months I did nothing at all, like absolutely not even a walk and nothing at all. So in Feb I decided that I need to do something because I've been lazy for way too long. So I signed up for this race. So I have trained from a couch to training for an Ironman in 6 months, and hopefully I feel confident right now, but it just feels very daunting. But it's been 6 months since I've been training.
Wow, that's lovely. And what's after triathlon? Let's hope that you come out of it with flying colors, extremely successful. But what's going to be the next sport that intrigues you, that you would want to learn and practice for?
So actually, I'm 47 days away from the race, and I'm shooting for a film right now. So it's been pretty hectic to manage both, and I'll be taking 5 days off from shooting to go and do the race. So once I come back next year, I'll want to do a full marathon again, and I think I might take up and do a few badminton tournaments because I've just missed the sport a little bit. But it will be training for a full Ironman again, and I've been wanting to learn how to surf properly, so hopefully surfing as well.
And this one is going to be historic because I believe you are the only Bollywood actress who is actually so heavily interested in sport and trained so hard. We, in fact, got a glimpse of your fitness regime when we actually interviewed you for Ghumar also. This time around, if I could ask you, is there any strict diet that you are following, any strict fitness regime that you are following for this event?
So fitness regime, so I need to follow because I have to train consistently every day. So I train for 2 hours every day, and on Sunday or the day I'm off from shoot, I exercise for 6 hours. I have to cycle 100 kilometers, swim 1 kilometer, run 10, 12 kilometers on a Sunday. So that takes quite a lot of time. But otherwise, I'm either cycling every day, swimming and running, or swimming and cycling. So pretty much every day I have been training. With regards to the diet, it's been home food. I like eating home food, but I've just included a heavier amount of protein so I just recover faster. So just a little bit of focus on increasing my protein intake is what has changed.
If I could ask you, according to you, what is the significance of sport in one's life? Why one should definitely at least follow one sport and play it and practice it in their life too?
I feel it not only keeps you physically fit, sport keeps you mentally very fit. And for me, that's pretty much the main reason to doing it is to stay physically and mentally fit. It keeps you in a happier mood. I mean, it's just a healthy way of living. I feel we're so used to, especially in a city like Mumbai, when you're meeting up with friends, it's either going out to have a drink or going to a restaurant. I think that culture needs to change. We can meet up with friends and do things like we used to when we were children. Like we used to play sport, right? So I feel if you want to stay young, the answer is play a sport.
But if I could ask the young Sayami, what exactly made her interested in sport? You have already mentioned that you used to play badminton initially in your earlier days, but where did the kick actually come from that, I should be the one who invest a lot of time and a lot of hard work in sport?
I think it was pretty much just my upbringing. My father was somebody who loved sport as well, and he inculcated it, and I'm very fortunate that he did. And I loved playing it, so it became more a lifestyle. It never was about आज जिम जाना है या आज एक्सरसाइज करना है. वैसे होता ही नहीं है क्योंकि हर रोज मैं अगर कुछ खेलती नहीं हूँ या एक्सरसाइज नहीं करती हूँ तो मूड मेरा थोड़ा ऑफ हो जाता है. So for me, it's always been about doing it because I like doing it. So you should never do something that kind of becomes like a punishment, you know. It should, if you don't like going to a gym, find something else. It could be Zumba, it could be Pilates. There are so many things you can try. So just find what works for you. Take up badminton, tennis, squash. There's so many options that you should just pickleball has become a big new thing now. So it's about finding what you like and what works for you.
And we also have seen you with cricket, your association with that. If I could ask you, who is your favorite cricketer?
It always has been Sachin Tendulkar, and I think it will always remain to be. He's somebody who's inspired me a lot on and off the field, so it will be Sachin.
And you have met him also. Last time when we chatted, you told us the experience that you had with him, right?
Yes,
Acha,
I did.
yes, yes, yes. Please continue.
He came, watched Boomer, which was very special, so that will remain one of the most special days of my life.
Yes, definitely. And since this is the triathlon, 3 events is what you are going to be participating in, one after the other. Which one is the most challenging one? Which sport is the one that you actually practice for the most amount of time?
Well, I was the weakest leg for me was cycling. I'm not the best cyclist, so it was cycling from scratch, and the maximum training I need to put into is cycling. It also is the longest leg of the race, 90 kilometers. So for me, cycling is pretty much the toughest one.
Okay, and what did you exactly do to make yourself stronger and better in terms of a cyclist?
Just spending time on the bike, yeah. The more time you spend on it, you need to do certain like certain power you need to ride on. So it's very technical when it comes to cycling. It's very technical. Spending time on the bike, doing hill training, like I go up and down Pali Hill to do hill training on the cycle, makes your legs stronger. So just certain different regimes that I follow. So I cycle 4 times a week. One time is the long cycling, one is for speed and power, one is for the hill climbing, and one is kind of a tempo cycle. So it differs with pretty much every session that I do.
Amazing. And if you could walk us through your routine day by day, and of course the training purpose as well. If you could tell us a little bit about your coach who is training you.
So routine is pretty much the training revolves around how my shoot timing is. So like yesterday, I was shooting. I went to shoot at. I had to be on set at 7:30, so I left at 7 in the morning, and I came back home at 7:20 in the evening. So it was a 7 to 7 shift. So I just did a 8 kilometer run in the evening after my shoot. Today also I had a shoot which I've come from. So I was shooting at 10 in the morning, but I went at 5:30 in the morning and cycled. So it kind of revolves, and I doctor it according to what my shoot time is. I'm being coached by Kostu Bradkar. He's from Pune and he's amazing. He's done, I think, 28 Ironmans himself. So very qualified and the best person I could have gone to, because it's all very scientific when it comes to training. So I'm just glad that I've got him with me on the journey.
Lovely. And are you following Paris Olympics 2024 because it's going on at this point of time? Who is your favorite athlete and which game are you most excited about?
So badminton has been my first love, and I'm very excited for Chirag and Satvik. I watched Chirag with Bo, Matthias Bo. I'd gone to watch them practice because I love watching sportsmen practice. PV Sindhu, I feel, is somebody who we are all rooting for. Lakshya Sen, we are all rooting for. So the badminton team, I'm watching very closely. Our shooters have made us very proud. The 2 medals have come from our shooters. So fingers crossed, we get to see more and more medals come in.
And since you have always been an athlete by heart, if I could ask you at this point of time in your life, if you have to choose amongst two options, either Sayami Khair as an actor or as an athlete, what would you prefer?
I think Sayami Khair, the actor, because it's again a very liberating experience. I've been loving what I've done. I feel the athlete in me will always be there because I've been doing it since I was a child. But it gives me immense joy to be on a film set. So I will leave everything I have to if I have to be on a film set, because I genuinely love being a part of films and just being able to live so many characters. So I do hope that I get to play more and more interesting characters.
Beautiful. And since you have touched upon the shooting that you are doing at this point of time, multiple times throughout our chat, could you give us a little bit of scoop? What exactly are you shooting for?
I'm shooting for a film with Sunny Sir, with Sunny Deol, and it's a film that's been produced by Maitri Pictures, who produced Pushpa 2. It's something which is very different from what I have done so far in my career. The scale in which they're making the film, the way the film is being shot, I've never really experienced anything like this, so it's pretty exciting.
Okay, Sayami, and last but not the least, if I could ask Sayami Khair, how exactly does she navigate through the challenges? What exactly is that one ritual or one regime that she constantly follow in her life to keep herself calm and balanced?
One is I follow, live up to the name that my grandparents have given me. मैं संयम रखती हूँ. वो I think सबसे जरूर मतलब important बात है कि आप संयम रखो. किसी भी काम में आप जो भी कर रहे हो आप संयम रखो. Be perseverant, I feel, is the most important thing, and I feel that is something that I have been so far. Is whatever the challenges are or whatever the issues are, I just not really ever felt like giving up, but I've been very perseverant.
Lovely. Sayam, it was lovely having you with us here on CNN News 18. I have my fingers crossed. I hope for the success that you see on 15th of September. All the best. Let's chat again after 15th of September, of course, because you're very busy with your shooting and, of course, your fitness regime. We'll see you later.
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you
All
so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.